Hello, I'm gonna do another slime rancher video today. So let's play on our subscribe file. Okay, so that's weird. So we're gonna go explore some places. So this is the map. I unlocked a couple things off camera. And so we have to go through this bridge to get to this land, which we go through to get back to the ranch, which is right here where my mouse is. And so there's a home portal right there, but I think it'd just be, yeah, it's actually probably gonna be better to use the home portal. So I'm gonna start heading that way. Okay, so, yep, gotta just go right around the bend here. Right up here. Right here. Now where's that home portal? Gotta keep going for a while and then turn up, go around here, up here, turn right, and get there. Okay. Going through the open place. Oh no. Oh no, okay, I'm just gonna shoot you. That's a weird Largo. Like, it's a crazy Largo. It's a hunter Largo. It's a hunter pink slime Largo, and I know you're wondering what, hunter is. They go invisible, and they're really hard to do anything with. So I'm just gonna hide away from these tars. And okay, now that I'm away from them, I can take a look at the map. Up again. There we go. This is about the direction I need to be going. Okay, so gotta go here. Okay. Warning danger zone. There's some hungry boom largos. Hungry boom largos? Yeah, I think they're hungry boom largos. And hungry boom largos are not something you want to mess with. Oh, there's some tars. Okay, from here, need to go like that way, I guess. So I need to sorry, I just had to go do something real quick. So, I have to flip backwards and go up there. That's an interesting thing. Okay, so I have to go. Ooh, water. So I got something off camera that makes me able to hold water. And tars hate water. They just die when water hits them. So, it's good to have water on you. I want my water. Okay, die. Okay, it finally died. Okay, is this the direction I need to go? Yep. Okay, there's the home portal. Let's shoot some water through it. Unfortunately, it doesn't like water. So, there's the overgrowth. We can't get to it unless we get a bunch of money. And I got some honeycomb slimes, which they're just gonna eat when they want to. So, there's a grumpy guy. You need to get back in. Oh wait, no, you don't have a pen. How about over there? That'd be a nice home for you. Okay, so gotta suck up all these pogo fruits that my farm has generated me. Okay, got all the pogo fruits. So since we're back, gonna do some things, but so here are the puddle slimes. They eat water, and since they're in their water pen, like, they don't just suck up this water, they, wait, do they? Looks like that actually might be what they do. No, that's just the speckles from the water. But we get puddle plorts. And if I recall correctly, these things are worth a fortune. Yeah, 40 each. And I've tried puddle largos, I think, but they don't really work that well. So, we can't do that. Let's see what this guy wants. E to activate. I need these plorts post haste, whatever that means. Okay, these plorts. Okay, so I have one of them. Actually, 9 of one of them. Wish I didn't sell all my boom plorts that I had, but I did. Okay, honey plort. There you go. Okay, I can't get a boom plort, so that's gonna be crazy. I'm not gonna get any reward, which is too bad. So let's see. You guys hungry? Pink honey largos. How about some food? Yum. Yum. And yum. Okay, you all ate. How are you still hungry? I thought you ate. You can have another pogo fruit. Just means more money for me. Thank you. So I wish I was able to do it because then you get these, which I'm not sure what they are. I haven't gotten them. And I'd be able to get these coins and stone hens. I don't really care about, but okay. So I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna. Okay, let's see. So these guys have all their pogo fruits to dance with. I don't have enough of slimes because, like, I'm just not generating money very fast. So, I just want to shoot water at the ocean. I'm filling up the ocean. But, let's see. Watering that. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go. Whoa, hunters are worth a bunch. So, gonna go try to get a hunter. And let's see, what other slime should we get? Not pinks, but maybe we should get a honey pink largo. I don't think so. I think I just trying to a crate. Smash. Heartbeats. I really want the heartbeat, but I can't. Like heartbeats, you can feed as many to one guy as you want, and he never gets full. So if you have like a heartbeat farm, you're good to go. Maybe I should just... I'm just gonna throw out my puddle plorts because I'm gonna make way more money if I get the heartbeats. Because I can make another farm and plant them there. Then I'll get a bunch of them. And then I'll just infinitely feed somebody. If we run into a gold slime, I'm gonna just instantly throw out both my heartbeats, because they're not gonna make me as much money as a golden honey larga. Not nearly. Okay, so we went out the wrong way, but that's okay, because we got all these boxes filled with amazing things. Like money. Let's see. I love exploring through dangerous places. So, I'm gonna explore through this dangerous place. By the way, this music is really good. Okay, let's see. Fly over here. Now wait for the energy to restore, and then I'll be able to fly over here. So this is where we were in the beginning of the episode. Up here. I had to run like 3 test videos to get this screen to work right, but that's okay. It's all worth it. It's all worth it to entertain you guys. Okay, there's some boom slimes. I'm not in the mood to collect them right now, though. I want either honey or hunter. Those are the 2 that I'm gonna collect. Honey and hunter. So I tried a boom farm, but it quickly, always blew up because they're just always constantly blowing up because I got way too many of them. A honey farm, on the other hand, it's nice and subtle. Like, they don't do anything to you, and you get very good profit off of it. Let's see. I'm gonna just try to fly around here again and check for any valuable slime. Let's see. There's a boom, but we don't need boom. So up here is where, like around here is where a lot of the those kind of slimes spawn, because it's just such a big open area, but looks like there hasn't been much spawn today. Oh, there's a hunter pink larga. I wish I could find the hunter that made it, but probably won't be able to. It might have eaten a pink larga. That's probably what happened, actually, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. So if we go around here, here's a cool place. Some water, and apparently a puddle plort. So this is where I found my first puddle slime. But we're out here to make money. So we gotta find the valuable slimes. The puddle slimes are valuable, but like they're really valuable, but They're just, you can really only get like 3 of them in your pond. Hey, take that! You're not gonna live to tell you. But, it's okay if I don't have carrots. Heartbeats are way more valuable. Now, where did my other heartbeat go? Way over here? That's crazy. Okay, let's see. There's a bunch of pogo fruits. Wait, what's... No, that's just a tabby blort. Okay, so we have a hunter, which he'd slowly make us profit, but we want more people. We want our place to be a nice place with hundreds of slimes, where everyone can enjoy the slimity. Honey plorts. I really just want those slimes, but the plorts are okay too. Oh, there's a honey slime. Heartbeats. Oh, and take the slime. Actually, I'd rather have the 2 heartbeats than 1 honey slime. If a bunch of honey slimes pop up, definitely throw those heartbeats away for them. Because we have like an infinite supply of pogo fruits, but they're just they just feed them, and then they're full with the heartbeats. Just feed them, and they're not full, and then you can feed them again, and they're still not full. Oh, there's some puddle slimes over there. Let's see. I want to explore over here, but at the moment I can't do that, but trust me, I will in a while. Let's see. Where did I have to go to get that home portal? Okay, back this. We got what we were looking for, a hunter slime. There's the home portal, and pow. Okay, so gotta build another pen for the hunter slime. This is gonna be my second farm, second garden. The one that grows heartbeats. This is gonna be a coral for the hunter slime. Okay, definitely high walls. I can't. Need more money first. Okay. Now, what's your diet meat? I have to morph you with the pink. I hate to do this, but I have to morph you into a Largo guy. Because I don't got meat. Okay, there's the Largo. Hey, pogo fruit. Yummy. Oh. Well, that hurt. Okay, I need your poop. Nope, 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 nope. I need to get a little more money first. Oh, I know how I can get money. Sell plorts. Okay, I guess I'll have to let him roam free for a sec because I need to get that thing. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Okay, first priority, internet. High walls is the next priority. 350. You want to eat your delicious food? There's a heartbeat. There you go. Now poop your poop. And I'll take your poop. I'll go sell it. 65. That's crazy. They're worth a fortune. Oh, yeah, still. Okay. So, we need to go. Yeah, there's that offer flipping away. But, just need some more money. Let's check on the heartbeats. It's almost done growing. Nutrient soil, compost from the moss blanket, and minerals from the indigo quarry make crops always yield the maximum harvest. That sounds amazing. Want it? I know you can eat anything, so... Okay, I don't want to give you any plorts that aren't yours, because if you turn into a tar, I'll be really mad. Let's see. Take those honey plorts. I'll go sell them for money. There they are. I don't know what this is, so... The ranch dry reef, moss blanket, slime C, slime keys. That's all. Well, we've discovered that much. I didn't know there was so much more, though. Okay. Priority, nutrient soil. Priority done. So when I get the harvest, I'm gonna get so much heartbeats. And I'll just infinite feed this guy. He's so happy. Okay, so want a drink? Oh, you all look hungry. Eat your pogo fruits. There you go. When I had a bunch of largos, I had to squeeze in, and it wasn't very fun. But so that's why you don't over largo it. There you are. I'm so scared that you are gone, but you just turned invisible. Going. Loading market prices. That's down to 54. That's down to 20. That's down to 9. Everything went down or stayed the same. I guess people just don't need plorts as much these days. I will info-feed you. Okay, well, let's go. How much does it cost to get this? Yeah. 10,000. Ooh. Slime scientist. I want to travel here. So I just have to get there. Okay, so just go the regular route to here and then go in there. I'll go the regular route. Shouldn't be too hard for me to remember. I bet there's a gate that I have to unlock. Okay, so M. Okay, gotta go this way. Yep, I'm going the right way. Okay. Gotta go through the danger zone. I think this was the first danger zone, right? So. And I got so scared of it, I didn't go in it again until my brother really urged me to. Yeah, slime key gate, even worse than a regular gate. Okay. Well, since I do have like infinite pogo fruits, I could go find one of those big beefy things that you feed. Let's see, let's see. Wait, how do you get over there? There might be one. Okay, I think I've already fed that one. Or it's a meat one, but I need a fruit one. There aren't that many out there. There might be one here. There's definitely one here. What's that? Okay, so gonna start heading over that way. Moving exactly the wrong way. Oh, tar. 2 hits with water and you're dead. They're so easy now that I have water access. Now that I have access to water. Okay, so keep going that way. Okay, up here. Wait, what's up here? Okay, well, I'm gonna at least look up what's up here. Oh. Another slime key door. Don't like when those are in my path. Okay. Well, now I'm full on water, so these tars are going down. Okay, got 'em. And there are more. And more. You gonna die? Okay, so, we're gonna head over there, see if there's something. Yep, going the right way. See if there's something, and then we'll end the video off there. Stay tuned after, if you subscribe, you can look at my videos and see if I've posted a new one. And if I have, maybe you'll find part 3 on this series. Who knows? Or maybe I'll have posted a new game. Like, a new game that I haven't posted of before. Who knows? Okay, so. Gotta go there somehow. Okay. Here. Okay. And from that, and let's go down here. Yes, of course I'll go down here. I love these places where there are hungry guys. Oh, well, I'm having. Gotta get there somehow. Okay, so if I can get on the wall, I should be okay. Yeah, but I can't get on the wall. Let's see. So, guess I'll go down this way to get. Nope, I don't want angry guys. I want. Let's see. I have to go. Maybe I should go on top of that. Maybe that's what I have to do to get where I'm going. Or maybe not. Maybe I should just go through it. Whoa. Okay. So now I'm up here. Whoa! Wait, are those hunter goldens? That's a hunter golden. Wait, no. No, that's a hunter honey? Honey hunter. Ah, interesting. I just need normal hunters right now, but it's nice to know that I have the option to get a honey hunter. Okay, let's see, is there somebody? Seems like there'd be somebody around here. People are really trying to eat me today. Guess they're more hungry today than I thought, but, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. After I collect all the plorts. Ooh, heartbeats. Okay, well, maybe that's not the end of the video yet. Still gotta feed my guy a bunch of heartbeats. Hey. Go. Eat up. Yeah, you can infinite feed them heartbeats. I think. Wait, can you only feed them 2? Looks like you can only feed them 2. But that's okay. Don't like it when this guy blasts me, but it's okay. Okay. Because it doesn't really hurt me. It just pushes me back. Let's see. Gonna feed 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like they've already eaten today. Well, that's okay. They ate the pogo fruits. It's just great. Collect the pogo fruits. Okay. How about, you know what? We should sleep and then refeed our hunter largo. Oh, there you are. Eat up. Eat again. Yeah, good boy. Too chubby for these ones. Wanna eat one more? There you go. Okay, now I can sell his hunter plorts and pink plorts to the plort market. I need a little bit more money. When I need a little bit more money, I know exactly who to go to. Oh, they can eat 2 of anything. Okay. I've been overfeeding these guys. Let's see. Just gonna try not to suck them up, but suck everything else. Okay. So, well, let's see if we can sell to get just enough money. Well, you guys haven't been fed for a while. Why don't you eat up? Okay, now suck up everything that hasn't been eaten. Okay, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that puts me well over, and that puts me way over. Okay, that went up to 9. That went up to 24, and that went up to 56. Okay. That's nice. Okay, now that I have the money, I can buy that guy higher walls. He must be uncomfortable in there with such low walls. High walls. He doesn't need resistance to light. Okay. So I'm gonna get the music box next. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video. And see you next time.